Okay, guys, so on Emise Go, if that's how you say it, if that's the right way to say it. Really interesting coin. We kind of went over that in the article. Um, but as far as the price goes, yeah, this is kind of what I see. Now, when Neo or when it was trading under Ant shares, you had this similar kind of first move up. And this is a lot of, this has come a long way from, I mean, um, I think that this pair basically ICO'd it. I want to say 25 or 50 cents. It's already up at $8. So yeah, this has already had a big move, relatively speaking. But what's on the other side of this, it's really hard to tell. This may end up You may end up looking back and saying this was just a tiny move in the beginning. But that said, when I first put my first position on Ant shares, it was very high like this also. And then we ended up working the position. I think I ended up buying my first share. Um, I was late. I was up at 12. But then we had a pullback from 12 back into like 6, 7, 8. And the point I'm trying to make here is that even if you purchase something high, because here's the optionality or how you have to think about this. If you wait for a pullback before you buy, if you say, "Oh, it's already had a good run, I'm going to wait." If you never get the pullback and this thing goes to 50, just like Neo did, right? It's at 8 right now, give or take. Okay, so if it's a double, a triple, a four bagger, five bagger from here, you're going to miss out. So the better thing to do is just get in and start a position. But the key is how you work your size. I always talk about that. You can give me this moving average, that trading indicator. If you don't know how to work your position and work your risk, you're going to get shaken out. You're going to get in too heavy too early. You won't be able to sit through a pullback. You'll stop out into the lows when you should be buying more. So how you work your size and your position actually almost matters more than the direction and any type of trading plan or indicators you're used deciding to get in and get out. Working the position almost matters more. So point being is you can start a light position up here, and then my mindset is fine. I buy here. It's already had a good run, but if I get the pullback, that's great. I want to buy some here, and I want the pullback so I can get heavier. You can think of it as a scale. Okay, I'm going to buy some here, buy some here, buy some here, and I'm going to get heavier on a scale like this. So if it doesn't pull back and it starts to run, well, there's worse problems to have. You're still going to make money. But there's not a lot of data here on the chart directionally. You're in a pretty solid uptrend. You've been basically doing nothing but, I mean, this is the first move. This is the biggest candle on the chart up until this point in time. You went sideways. This is a swing line setup. Boom. Buy more. Nice 4-day run. Just a small triangulation consolidation period right back at the 8. You take another run up away from the 8. You pull back again, another flag or consolidating pattern, and then you take another run. So this is this is just trading in trend. Not a lot on the daily cycle to pick up on the rhythm yet, or as far as the cycle goes. But this is one we want to work into a position. So I started here, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. I'm going to start putting these trades on through CoinAG also, so then you can see the trade history on the chart, which would be helpful. And then I don't have to just try to, draw in the arrow, and then I change the color scheme, and I have to go back, and the arrow doesn't save. So it's pretty cool that these guys built that capability in, but you have to trade through the platform, and then your trade history will show on the chart. So that'll be helpful. It's good in my own trading. It's basically like journaling on the chart as you trade. But anyway, guys, we're long here, and I welcome a pullback. I want this to pull back. I would love to buy some back here at 10, 12 BTC or Satoshi. And then I mean, this was the high on the ICO. This is where we kind of consolidated. This is where the bands are, so I'd like to buy more down in this area. You do have some support here also. Now when we go to the smaller time frames, 4-hour chart I like for the intermediate term. You can see everything's bullish, the wave formation's bullish. That's just showing you the trend, the uptrend. And so this is the support down here, this 14 zone. Right, and then yeah, this is, I mean, we got pi back here on the hourly, so I'll pick up my position on OMG down here in this zone. All right, but long term, let's play a core long here. We'll trade it around, and then from here, I mean, I want to get a couple more lots on before I start taking any kind of type of profit. So if we just rally from here, I'm not even going to sell. I'm just going to hold it and look for another point to add. So anyway, guys, keep an eye on that level, and I'll keep you updated on as far as how the price goes in the direction.